This is Mosaic cake, and it's what we are making today. With its chestnutty flavor, this dessert can quite nicely accompany you for the last days of winter. Oh, by the way, welcome to our channel. I don't mean to hold you longer than needed, so let's get to business, shall we? Here's how to make it. First, we are starting with roasting 1 cup of chestnuts. Using a sharp knife, I'm cutting a straight line through outer shells. And I repeat this process with all of them. After cutting them all, get them in a pan over high heat. Once the shells are open like this, set them aside to cool. Meanwhile, we can work on our sauce, and for that you'll need 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 cup of milk, 100 grams of dark chocolate. Any dark chocolate is okay to use really, but keep in mind that I used 70% dark chocolate. Then melt the butter in a saucepan. After, add the milk in. And also add in the chocolate by breaking it into smaller and kinda equal pieces, so that we can fasten the melting process. Also, adding dark chocolate instead of generally used cocoa powder, I think complements flavor that'll come from chestnuts the best. Like I said, I'm using 70% dark chocolate because I'm not gonna add any additional sugar in the sauce. Stir the sauce in order for chocolate pieces to melt smoothly. When the sauce gets this warm brown color, take the sauce off of heat. Set it aside and prepare your mold by covering it with plastic foil. And also afterwards, quickly peel chestnuts. The last ingredient is Petit Beurre biscuits. You might be unfamiliar to these, but essentially these are just shortbread cookies. I believe you can easily find substitutes. Now, for the assembly part, first break the biscuits in half. You don't need to be too precise with this. Then break the chestnuts in pieces and add them on top of the biscuits. And lastly, add in the sauce you've prepared. With the help of a fork, mix all ingredients by gently smashing some biscuits, but just some biscuits, not all, because we are trying to create a base that will hold. And place all mixture into the mold. Like I said, we have smashed some biscuits that created a gluey base for everything to hold. And because of that, you can shape this even without a mold, just by using a plastic foil and your hands. But I find using a mold is more practical. After, this beauty will sit in refrigerator in deep freezer for 2 hours minimum, until firm. And the result is just amazing. You can see that it's holding its shape perfectly. And when you cut a piece, you can see all biscuit pieces in there with chestnuts as well. On that note, thanks for watching. Leave a like if you liked it, and comment down below what would you like to see us make in the next videos. Until then, subscribe and be a member of our club.